Greetings and hello everyone. Today we're going to be working with an idea known as PEMDAS. So, learn evaluating numerical expressions. An expression of the form xn is read as x to the nth power. The word power is used to refer to the expression, the value, or the exponent of the expression. So, when n is a positive integer, the exponent indicates the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. In a power, the base is the number being multiplied by itself. To evaluate an expression means to find its value. If a numerical expression contains more than one operation, then the rules that let you know which operation to perform first is called the order of operation. This has a nickname of PEMDAS, by the order that you go. So evaluate expressions inside grouping symbols. This is known as P. Evaluate all powers. This is known as E. Multiply and or divide from left to right. This is known as MD. And then add and or subtract from left to right. This is known as AS. PEMDAS. There it is. So we want to evaluate these expressions here. So evaluate each expression. So we have 2 to the power of 4. So this is my base, and this is my power. So I'm going to multiply 2 4 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times another 2 is 8, times our last 2 is 16. So 2 to the 4th equals 16. So here, for B, my base is 4 and my power is 5. So this is going to be 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 times 4 is 256. And 256 times 4 is 1024. Or in other words, 4 to the power of 5 is 1024. So let's go ahead and try this problem right here. So we want to evaluate 20 minus 7 plus 8 squared minus 7 times 11. So we're going to use this idea of order of operation known as PEMDAS. So we're going to take a look at this first. Does it have any parentheses? No. So I'm going to go ahead and cross that out. Does it have any exponents? Yes, it has 8 squared. 8 squared is 64. So this is going to give me 20 minus 7 plus 64 minus 7 times 11. It doesn't have any more exponents, so I can go ahead and cross that off. Multiplication and division. So I have a multiplication back here. I don't have any division. So that's my first one from left to right. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of it. 20 minus 7 plus 64 minus 77. So multiplication and division is done. Now I'm going to do addition and subtraction from left to right. So my first one is subtraction. So this is going to give me 13 plus 64 minus 77. Well, 13 plus 64 is 77 minus 77. So when we do that subtraction, we end up with 0. So our evaluated problem is 0. Let's take a look at example 7. So I want to evaluate this expression. Again, I'm going to use PEMDAS. So I'm going to take care of parentheses first. So my parentheses, I have 4 plus 5. So when I add those together, that's going to give me 9 squared. And on the bottom, I have 7 minus 4. That's going to give me 3. So my parentheses are done. Change the look of this. Now I want to do my exponent. So I have one exponent. I have 9 squared. Well, 9 squared is 9 times 9, which is 81. Exponent done. Multiplication and division. So I have this dividing by this, but let's take care of this first. So this is going to give me 3 times 3, which is 9. So I have 81 divided by 9. Now we can do the division. That's going to give me 9. So when I evaluate this out, I end up getting 9. Let's take a look at example B. So I have 15 minus the quantity 10 plus the quantity 3 minus 2 squared in quantity plus 6. So again, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So I have parentheses inside of parentheses. So you just go to your innermost parentheses and you do those first. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So this can give me 15 minus 10 plus 1 squared plus 6. So let's handle what's happening here. Exponent goes first. So we're going to do 1 squared, which is just 1. So this is 15 minus 10 plus 1 plus 6. Well, 10 plus 1 is 11. So this is going to give me 15 minus 11 plus 6. So we handle the parentheses. We have no exponents anymore. They were inside of our other parentheses. We have no multiplication or division. So now let's add and subtract. 15 minus 11 is 4 plus 6. And then 4 plus 6 is 10. So the solution to this is 10. So go ahead and review through what you learned today and have a great day.